Some people say 3, 2, 1, start. I say 2, 1, begin. What? What an awful joke. Anyways, they do stack. But yeah, I've got 2 Ledger Staxes. This is my first one that came a while ago. Well, when I say a while, a few weeks. And this is my second. So, the Ledger Staxes. Let's have a look at my second Staxes unboxing, shall we? Hello everyone, my name is Jitanal Ahmed, and yes, this is my second Stax. So I've already done an unboxing of my first Stax. It's a bit comprehensive. I was comparing it to a lot more other hardware wallets and just random items and stuff, just so you got a feel of it. But yeah, this is my second Stax. This unboxing is going to be much quicker. I just do want to show a few extra things which I was thinking about. Hopefully you were too, and this answers your questions. Anyways, let's get straight to it. So this is the box that it arrived in. This is obviously my other Stax. But anyways, this is the box that it arrived in. And DPD is really poor with their courier service. Anyways, the box is a bit damaged and stuff. I just wanted to show you the actual box and the way it's been delivered to me. This was on hold since the 6th of June. Yeah. Anyways, let's unbox it. Okay, so straight to the box. What do we get? We got the Ledger Nano S Plus. This is the one that I'm actually going to be giving away. So if you haven't already watched my giveaway video, do watch that. You can enter that and then you could win this. Well, I'm giving it away anyway. So yeah, do have a look and do enter that if you're interested in taking that for free. But anyways, I'm just going to show you close-ups of this. I'm not going to reread it because I've already done that in my comprehensive video and that took a while. But yeah, do just like pause the video and just have a read. That's that. I'm throwing that away. But yeah, so again, some stickers. That's pretty neat. Put that there. The magnetic case, I will be unboxing that in this video as well. And this is the Stax. So let's first put this Nano S Plus away. Just after I just quickly show you the box quickly, just so you can see what it is that you're going to be receiving as well. But yeah, I've got an unboxing of the Nano S Plus as well, so do watch that video. And I've got an unboxing of just the magnetic shell. Obviously there's different types of stuff within each video, so yeah, it was still worth a watch in my opinion. But yeah, so this is the magnetic shell. Obviously, if you want to see it in detail, do go check the other unboxing out. I'm just going to take this out because there's a few tests that I wanted to do, right? So, oh, I actually scratched the box, lol. Anyways, last time I dropped this, lol. But anyways, let's put that to a side. When I say side, I mean the floor, lol. Anyways, this is the shell. I actually said in my initial one that I don't like this, but it's grown on me. I won't lie. It's just, I don't know. It's a bit odd. It feels weird. And I'm starting to like it. So this is some film that you got on. As you can see, the box. So I will show you close-ups of this again because this is what we're here for. The Ledger Stax. Trust yourself with Ledger Stax. And then there's some details in here so you can have a read of how it actually is. Okay, so let's begin with unboxing this. Nice little cut there. Put the knife away, won't be needing that anymore. So this is the sleeve. Take that out. Nice Ledger. Show you inside the sleeve. There's nothing actually in there. But yeah, so Ledger. I just want to put that to the side for now. But as I was saying last time, basically this is plasticky, as you can see there. And obviously I know how to take it off now, lol. But the Ledger Stax itself. Trust yourself, right? So, welcome to Ledger Stax. Let's take that off. And yeah, I am going to be using this as well. Put that little film away. So it did come with that film as you saw there. But yeah, trust yourself. Very, very nice. Interesting. So this one has a reference there as well now. They both had that. And it comes with a cable, a very plasticky cable. As you can see there. I'm not going to be really using that, so I'll put that back there. A recovery sheet. And this is where you can put your 24-word BIP39 seed phrase. And then a quick start guide. This is just like the manuals and stuff like that. Quick start, just telling you how to start this up and everything. But yeah, anyway. So let's actually go on to what I actually want to see. I'm not going to really turn this on right now in this video. I do that in my comprehensive video where basically you can see me partially set it up, because that would have taken ages if I showed you all that. But yeah, so this is the box, and let's go into what I actually want to see. Does the stack up? So let's see how the stacks up. So this is my other stacks. If you didn't know already, this is a NFT that I've created. I've got quite a few memberships on my website for my art pieces. I'll do airdrops and stuff. It's still work in progress, but the thing is, if you wanted to, you can become a member, and this is the exclusive pass. And yeah, I've got other passes as well, but yeah, you can see what the membership benefits and stuff are. Yes, it's that time of the day again where I interrupt this video. Why? To let you know about my website. Do check it out. I have my merch there. As you can see, I'm not selling my crypto. That's why I'm wearing this. Lol. Anyways, I have my gear list there. If you wanted to start to create content, you can get an idea of where to begin. In addition, my asset portfolio. What type of crypto assets do I hold? It's all there on my website. And I sell my NFTs and art pieces. I nearly got tongue twisted there, just to let you know. But anyways, do check my website out. This is all about my website. Do go there and check it out. Do you feel like you've got my website in your mind now? Maybe you do, but maybe you don't, lol. But either way, let's get back to the video, shall we? See ya, take care, bye-bye. Anyways, stacking up. Okay, that magnetic force is pretty strong. Okay, that was nice. Ooh. This is the first time I'm doing this. Wow. Okay. That's very nice. So check it out. Like, that's very, very nice. Okay. Stacks up is pretty. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Sick reference, bro. If you know where that reference is from, I want to say it, but do comment down below if you know where that's from. But yeah. So, anyways, this is another thing I wanted to test, right? When it's inside the case, so I'll just show you here. That's in the case, right? So it's pretty strong, just to show you. And then it closes, great. You can't see the spine or anything. But yeah, I wanted to see, do the cases stack up? Or what's the point of having it like a ledger book? Let's find out, shall we? 3, 2, 1. Oh my days, it does. Wow, okay. Yep, this is good. Let's see if it does it the other way. Okay, it's not strong. It's actually, you can feel some pressure. It's the opposite poles. That's why. But this way it does. Okay, this is very nice. I can carry this around. It's a bit heavy. It's like one of those Samsung Folds or something. Those folding phones. What's interesting is though, right? This way it's a bit weird. It doesn't really stack up. But I'm a bit concerned. This symbol here, right? It's actually embossed, and I feel like I can just push it hard and peel off. This is a worry I have. But will that happen if I keep on doing... Whoa, hopefully that didn't damage it at all. Yeah, hopefully... sorry, not hopefully, but would that peel off over time? I don't know. We will find out in like a year or so. Just so you know, regarding the Stax, I've actually used it quite a bit. I'm actually enjoying it. It's very, very good. As I've said, right, even though I had a bit of a rant in my other video, the Stax itself as a product, excellent. Excellent innovation. I love the design. I love how small it is. It's beautiful. It's artistic. It's created by Tony Fadell. Do you get what I mean? He's the one that designed the iPod, and we all love Apple. Well, I do anyway. The simplistic designs. I like that. But yeah, so I actually like the Ledger Stax. The only problem for me is the Ledger Recover. I still will be using these. As I've already previously said, Ledger Recover, I think it should have been for like corporations and stuff like this. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to be using it for stuff like that. So for me, it's fine. It's just it won't be like a personal wallet for myself. But yeah, I've got affiliate links down below either way, so if you do want to click on that and purchase one, pre-order one or whatever, they're still not available right now, lol. Batch 2, they still haven't shipped. That's a bit crazy. But yeah, I was actually part of batch 1. I minted these. I'm a Ledger Pass Market Pass holder, that's why. But yeah, it's still delayed by so much from the 6th of June. DHL is awful in my opinion. Do you know what? I even emailed them giving them my YouTube video to show them, because they were asking me questions like, oh, they wanted my photo ID again. I provided that again. There was no communication regarding the previous email chain. In addition, they want to know what's in the box, what's the contents, or what's the value, what's the dimensions. So do you know what? I just sent them my video, and as you guys should watch the comprehensive video, because there's a lot of comparisons between many other hardware wallets and stuff. But anyways, I don't want to extend how long this video is, because this isn't a comprehensive review. But anyways, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you do subscribe to my channel. I upload content regarding crypto, unboxing tech like this, juicy batch 1 unboxings. Anyways, yeah, do subscribe to my channel. And lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.